Me hear NUFFY jump out. As in, and NUFFY, I diss up your artists them. You see me? He might diss up a bag of people.
No,
Not what say.
make you understand. Make you understand with Joshy thing. Make you understand with Joshy thing.
Alright, with Joshy thing. Me not really business, way ma do or whatever. But me hear NUFFY diss up the artists them. You see me? I mean know NUFFY passionate about Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
You see me? But at the same time, you have to remember, say, yo, you're depend on your IRs right now. And you're not always depend on your IRs. I remember I say Kartel are shine and Kartel are soar at the moment. But remember,
I love that about the moment.
Because it's true, bro. Kartel are soar, and we can admit say Kartel are soar because Kartel they're not the limelight. NUFFY, Kartel bring you out and Kartel put you up on a different level, yes. But you have to remember, say, yo, it not go always be this way. Because Beanie Man was there, Bounty Killer was there, Elephant Man was there, and you can go right back. Merciless, Ninja Man, all of them have them glorious moments.
That's true.
We see the Gaza camp already split up in a million different pieces. I remember everybody was loyal to Kartel. So when you come out and diss up people, just remember, say, yo, the high arse where you're depend right now, only hope you don't come down. You see me?